vision for 2025?
Plenty of things to discuss, but no, just something quick that, obviously Repair Desk was on. We're talking about AI. One great thing about the bot Tim was just talking about is we just added where you can actually book an appointment. So it's a separate AI assistant that books your appointment. It goes straight into Repair Desk. So now straight from the website, you'll know when customers are coming and have their information already inside your POS. So that's one of the newest features we just added this week, but so many good things to come.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Bill, and thank you to everybody. You're sending out links to everybody via email and WhatsApp and all the different sort of channels. If you are listening to this on replay, remember, any questions that you ask, we can still answer today or any day that you're actually listening in. So, keep them coming. Watch the town hall. Share it with your staff if you want to. It's always a valuable thing. So, guys, for now, thank you so much. And we will see you in February